the Central Lombok Industrial and Trade Office, has built a swallow's nest processing center. The location is in front of Lombok International Airport. Built using special allocation funds from the Ministry of Industry of the Republic of Indonesia. With funding up to 7 billion rupiah. In this place every day the production process is carried out, starting from cleaning swallows' nests, processing to packing into several products that are ready to be marketed to consumers. The government sees that this is a quite promising business, because it will be able to absorb raw materials in the form of swallow birds' nests from farmers scattered across the West Nusa Tenggara region. In the future, it is hoped that the existence of this swallow's nest processing center will be able to open up new job opportunities for the surrounding communities. Because on the market the price of a clean swallow's nest can reach 2 million rupiah per kilogram. Means that this business is quite promising in both the local and international market.